Welcome back, friends, and today we have a Brous blades. It's called the triple threat, and you'll see why it's called the triple threat. So as you can see, it's got this really unique maze. He calls it the maze pattern on the handle here, the black G10 handle, and this is called the maze. Dual thumb studs. Some quick spec. The handle length is 4.6 inches. Again, black G10. It comes with two different pocket clips, so if you want, you can have a in the right pocket or left pocket, which is nice. But it is only a tip up carry. There's no holes here for a tip down. The overall length is 8.125 inch. The cutting edge is 3¼ inches. Blade thickness is 0.15 inch. He calls it it's a Tonto style blade profile, the Tonto here. And then you can see the triple, it's a triple grind here. Stone wash finish on the blade. The weight is 6.2 ounces. It's a liner lock, and this is a run of, he only produced 500 of these knives, and this is number 39, which is in the right there in the handle, or in the backspacer inside the handle. Again, Jason Brous of Brous Blades. There's some jimping, but it's pretty. I would, yeah, it's not really useful because there's not much grip. It looks nice, but again, the jimping is not much. So you can see the blade. What makes this blade really unique is this. He calls it the triple-bevel grind. So you can see that there is this really cool maze pattern, and there's the pivot screw here. Has stainless steel liner. It's a liner lock, and it's stainless steel. It's pretty hollowed out, other than the backspacer and the liner lock. It's machined machine inside for weight reduction. It's got a really heavy stone wash. You can see a lot of, I don't know what material he uses for the stone wash, but it is pretty Pretty heavy on the stone wash. It is made in the USA. Really cool grinds on the blade. Not much hardware as in for the screws, just 2 screws here and your pivot screw. And there you have it. The Jason Brous blades. The triple threat knife. And until next time, friends, have a great day.